Hey guys, my name is Ariana Gerandi. I'm from Venezuela. I've been doing ECX Academy for about 3 weeks now, and I'm so excited about this product because it's something that I've been wanting to do for so long, and so far I have 80 sales and I cannot wait to see the outcome in the next 90 days.
My name is Susie. I'm from Los Angeles. With ECX Academy, I learned how to run ads and test them. With a couple of strategies, I was able to sell more than 900 units. The Academy is awesome, and I highly recommend it.
Hey, my name is Johnson, and I'm from Los Angeles. I would say my favorite aspect of the ECX Academy is the fact that these videos take these long, complicated chunks of information and they break them down into small, simple steps. This course basically taught me how to identify and sell to very passionate niches. I was then able to take these proven strategies, generate over 350 sales for the LED light bulb. So for anyone who's even curious about learning how to generate extra income on the side, I would highly recommend this course as well as the ongoing training.
Hi everyone, my name is Chris Reef. I'm from Rhode Island. In 2015, I found e-commerce and social media ads. I will never forget it. I heard my first cha-ching. That changed my life forever. Since then, I received over 700,000 orders from all over the planet and became one of the top social media advertisers in the world. Now I'm super excited to bring my education to IM Mastery through ECX Academy, and I look forward to helping tens of thousands of more people become e-commerce store owners, including you.